Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, immersive media veteran joins Shiba Inu Metaverse team. The Metaverse team is expanding. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Shiba Inu has finally announced a much anticipated developer update for the Shiba Inu Metaverse, revealing that a veteran in immersive media will join SHIB's team. Marcy Jastra, the former VP of Immersive Media at Technicolor and a business development advisor at Evercast, has joined SHIB. Jastra joins a range of business titans involved in various SHIB projects. Former Activision developer William Volk has joined the SHIB team for the upcoming Shiba Inu game. Here's a look at the announcement. Marcy Jastra joins Shiba Inu. Announced in a blog post, Shiba Inu welcomed Jastra to its Metaverse team, laying out how her role. Her brief is fairly all-encompassing, covering brand partnerships, providing guidance, and much more. In the post, Jastra said she was honored to be part of the project. "I am thrilled to be able to help build and construct an amazing place for the whole community to explore and call their home," she said. According to her LinkedIn, Jastra architected marketing strategies for immersive media such as virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, artificial intelligence, as well as blockchain, in her role at Technicolor. However, we are not yet sure whether this is just an initial announcement for the Metaverse ahead of a full studio reveal for the mystery AAA studio set to also create the Metaverse. Posting on Discord, SHIB developer Eric M. said the studio is being renegotiated, as some terms needed reviewing. This is the latest step in the Shiba Metaverse's development that should signal the move away from the Shiba land sale and towards the release of other aspects beyond simply the Metaverse map. Next steps for the Shiba Inu Metaverse. At the time of writing, some 19,337 land in the SHIB Metaverse has sold to 5,482 holders. 36,431 pieces of land first launched in April, prioritizing those who locked leash. The SHIB team has now moved some of the funds out of its initial wallets from the land sale. However, Eric M. posted in Discord this was for security reasons and has not been spent. There's no set release date on the Metaverse just yet, with a Shiba Inu game launch likely to come first. According to Shitoshi Kusama, the game is still on schedule, possibly signaling a September 2022 launch. SHIB price drifts further to the downside as pressure builds for a new low for 2022. Expect to see a correction back to 507, saying goodbye to 1000. Shiba Inu price is too far gone from the significant pivotal level of 1708 to make a strong comeback for now. Expect to see price action consolidate around current levels, slightly above 1000, before another round of tail risks will come back to bite price action and trigger another drop in value. SHIB price looks set to slip below 1000, trigger a trust crisis amongst investors, and finally settle at 507, losing another 60%. SHIB price set to trigger a confidence vote amongst investors. Shiba Inu price is not really falling on the right side of the trade these past few weeks, as SHIB is set to close out the week with a fifth consecutive loss. By doing so, investors and traders must start to be fed up with the almost puberal mood swings the cryptocurrency is having and being an outlier when cryptocurrency markets are rallying, and SHIB price being one of the few that is bleeding at that exact moment. Expect to see more outflow of capital funds, making the price action less supportive and possibly triggering a falling knife soon. SHIB price still has the 1000 big figure in its corner, backing price action to consolidate above for now. But the backpack of geopolitical issues and tail risks is growing by the day as more unresolved issues are putting too many question marks around the secured path forward. Expect with that uncertainty and the sometimes unpredictable price moves in SHIB, investors start to lose confidence and could trigger at least another test at the 10,000 psychological level. Should that level be breached again, expect to see SHIB price axed in half towards 507 as investors will be fed up with carrying the loss on their investments and look the other way. One element that could ease the weight of the bearish backpack is when those tail risks can be deflated. That would come with some dovish comments from the Fed or BOE, or if the Ukraine news flows fades further to the background as the situation on the ground stabilizes. That could trigger a quick turnaround with SHIB price back to 1500, and bulls pressing against the red descending trendline to create a breakthrough on the descending trendline and touch 1708 before trying to rally towards 2100 and testing the 55-day simple moving average as price cap to the upside. SHIB has broken out of a classic bearish chart pattern called a descending triangle. Following the breakout of the pattern, the price of SHIB posted a slight gain over the last 24 hours. With Shibarium coming very soon, according to Shitoshi Kusama, with the unification upgrade set to happen next month, some SHIB holders are wondering if this means anything for Shibarium. Shibarium X Unification eagle-eyed SHIB holders spotted that the Unification Fund mainnet upgrade is set to go live on June 8, potentially signaling good news for the Shibarium launch. Unification describes itself as a hybrid blockchain, which offers blockchain tools to its partners, including Shiba Inu. Alongside Shibarium, it was involved in the launch of the Shiboshi NFTs. The new mainnet chain will launch on June 8, pending the end of its current voting period on May 24. In a tweet about the fund mainnet, Unification said it paves the way for some exciting projects ahead. With the launch of Shibarium constantly being teased as being just months or weeks away, or more often just soon, it could be that the Unification upgrade is key to then launching the Layer 2. Of all the Shiba Inu roadmap projects, the community is the most excited for Shibarium, as several polls have demonstrated. However, the mainnet proposal includes no reference to Shibarium or any other projects. This means that for the time being, this does not signal a Shibarium launch as any closer. Instead, it could signal the launch of the Shibarium testnet. In a blog post, Unification said this testnet is planned to launch within the next months, followed by a beta. The Shibarium Layer 2, which will not create a SHIB token, hopes to reduce the transaction fees for its users. Can Shiba Inu reach $1 by 2025? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million % in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.